Yes, yes. Whew. We made it, yes. Hey everyone, Leah here, and today I'm going to show you a strategy that can multiply any deposit, no matter if you're a newbie or a pro. Make sure watch till the end. And if you want even more tips on trading and ways to earn big, join my Telegram channel and stay tuned for updates. To start, let's switch to our regular candles and select a 15-second time frame. I'm setting the trade time to 60 seconds. I'll be entering trades with $500. And next we will add a couple of indicators. Keltner Channel, with settings, EMA period 14 and ATR period 8. Keep styles as default. ADX with the settings, ADX moving 16 and DI length 10. Styles plus DI green and minus DI red. ADX yellow. And set that. Now let's add currency pairs. And here we go. We are going short. Why? Okay, because on ATX the red line crosses below the yellow one, and with entry below the channel of the Keltner, this obviously signals a downward trend. So we confidently open a short and wait for the result. Oh, we see a pullback. And the price keeps moving. No worries, guys. We'll quickly open another trade to cover the first one. See, we just a little off on the timing. Shit happens. Yes, it's moving in the right direction now. Yeah. Yes! Whew, yes, guys, perfect result. We did it. All right, let's move on. We're going long because we got a sign. We've broken out of the Keltner Channel, indicating a strong trend. ATX shows the green line crossing above the yellow and holding steady. I'm pretty sure the price will go up here. No, where are you going? Stop. Yes! yes. Whew, awesome. Hey, have you watched my latest video yet? This one? What? No? Then after this, go check it out. In that video I explain which mistakes can cost you your money and how to avoid them. Ready for the most interesting part? It's risky, but I'm opening a short. And why? It's simple, I will explain now. We are at the bottom of the Keltner Channel and the lines are trending just how we need them to. And that means the price is likely to drop from here. Let's see, guys, let's see. Things aren't going our way at all. What? Alright, this trade didn't work out but no big deal, we are opening a call trade. We will not lose. The price is still not moving where we want. And now it's starting to move in the right direction. Yes, go down. Yes. Yes. Whew. We made it. Yes. I'm going long because I see a small pullback forming. The green line crossed above the yellow one. This is clear sign the price is going up. And the green line crossed above the yellow line and it's a sign for us that price will go up. Let's see what happens on the chart and analyze it. Looks like this one's a sure win. Yes? Yes! It's going up. What? Everything is okay. Yes! Yes, it's finished. Yes, money, come to mommy. This is the best case scenario. When you see the trend going up, wait for the pullback and then jump into the trade. Remember this. And that's a wrap for today. This is the best case scenario. When you see the trend going up, wait for the pullback and then jump into the trade. Remember this. And that's a wrap for today. How did you like the video, guys? Pretty exciting, right? Make sure to comment if you know about this trick and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.